the most part, filming this stuff is pretty slow and methodical. Got a bunch of shots in mind, and I film them and then match them up in the editing, drop in the audio later depending on which footage it is. But this is my shot of how an Astrocade cartridge is ejected by hitting the eject button and using your human hand to pull it out of there. And I'll probably shoot that again since my hand got in the shot in a bit of a sloppy way for my tastes. One of my favorite things about the Astrocade is its computer brain logo. I'll do a focus effect on the shot. Give something motion that doesn't really have any motion. Works nice with the editing. It's a nice trick. Nice simple trick to get some motion when you don't have a lot of fancy dollies or... How many game systems give you a calculator on the front of the game console that aren't the Magnavox Odyssey 2? You can even do division. Division's hard. Your phone can't do division. It's true. Check. Your phone does not have a division button, I'm sure of it. One of the other things I like about the Astrocade is that it doesn't just have chrome or wood grain, it finds a way to have chrome and wood grain. That's very important. Most game consoles would not give you both of those things. Certainly not as well as a this is really a pain in the ass trying to film at the same time. I might have to put down the phone. Gotta concentrate. Because there's also a gag in there, you can't see it, but one of these tapes is these are all Bally Astrocade games, except for the one near the back, which is my Raiders of the Lost Ark read-along storytime cassette. Little sight gag. Technically, you know, what do I have to say about the Astrocade? It plays some fun games, whatever. But I think what's really important is that we obsess about the copious amounts of wood grain on this thing. It looks like a Cylon base star if it was covered with wood-grained armored plating. And I approve of that. So I started putting the footage together here for the Astrocade. It's looking nice. Oh yeah. The other fun thing I was doing today is recording screaming sounds for human cannonballs to give a little bit of background effect. Oh, there he is. Who doesn't love firing a helpless guy into a basket from a cannon? And missing at least 95% of the time. First try, wind speed 38, angle 25. I had this memorized like a few days ago. See if I'm right. Nope. Than Thunder Force, Hunter every time. I don't even know her, but I still hunt her. However, my favorite spaceship in Xanac Neo is the green one. Do you remember what it's called? I do. I'm testing the rest of you. Actually, I just recorded the classic Xanac footage like 10 minutes ago. And that will be going right there. Little spot. I gotta push the rest of the clip that way. That's what the A button's for. And drop in some more footage before the Magnavox Odyssey 2 voice review. I gotta film the live stuff for that tomorrow. Big week. Should have this thing wrapped up by Friday.